up, you guys? Welcome back to Marcella's Way. So this is going to be a quick video, basically an experiment to see if I can use my 15 by 15 heat press to basically seal these thermal pouches. So I'm doing this so I can make these little basically for my budgeting system. So my printer is not working like it's supposed to, so I use my thermal printer for these. So it's going to be double to see if the pouches work with the thermal printer sheets, because if so, that'll save me a lot of money. So I'm just going to try. I already put these in the little pouch already. Make sure that you leave some space in between. And I'm also going to use my my little sheet here to see if it works. So you guys, we're gonna see. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the heat press. I set it to 190 just to see if, you know, it works out. I didn't want to make it too hot, so let's just see. I'll let you guys know. Be right back. Okay, so I have everything on my heat press. Have it in between two sheets here. I want to make sure that it's not getting too hot. I'm not burning anything, but this is experimental. You guys, if it burns, guess what? Try another sheet, try it again. Sometimes it's trial and error. So let's see what we come up with. Okay, so it basically worked, you guys. If you see here, it kind of didn't heat all the way through in some areas. So if I had to go back and do it again, I probably would take the temperature up to about 220, maybe 200, no more than 210. And then make sure you make the pressure a little bit, you know, maybe a little firm, because that way it can push it down a little bit more. But I mean, for the most part, it came out good. The thermal printing did fine. The glue didn't cause no issue with this being a thermal sticker. So it's doable, y'all. So if you don't have a thermal laminator, then this will be the perfect alternative if you need to laminate. So thank you guys for coming back to Marcella's Way. See you guys soon.